To link your Venmo balance, start by opening the Venmo app on your device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings, then tap on Payment Methods. In the Payment Methods section, you will see an option to add a bank or card. Select this option to link your Venmo balance to your bank account. You can link your Venmo balance to a checking or savings account, or to a credit or debit card. To link to a bank account, select Bank and then enter your bank account details, including the account and routing numbers. To find your account and routing numbers, look for them at the bottom of one of your checks or on your bank statement. If you do not have a check or statement, you can also contact your bank to get this information. Once you have entered your bank account details, Venmo will make 2 small deposits into your account. This is to verify that you are the owner of the account. These deposits are usually less than $1 and will be labeled as Venmo test transaction. After you see these deposits in your account, go back to the Venmo app and enter the amounts of the 2 deposits. This will verify your bank account and link it to your Venmo balance. You can also link your Venmo balance to a credit or debit card. To do this, select Card and then enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Linking your Venmo balance to a bank account or card allows you to transfer your Venmo balance to your bank account or use your Venmo balance to make purchases. It is a good idea to keep your Venmo balance linked to a bank account or card so you can easily access your money when you need it. It is also important to keep in mind that there may be fees associated with transferring your Venmo balance to your bank account, depending on the type of account you have and the bank you use. Be sure to check with your bank to see if there are any fees associated with transferring your Venmo balance. By following these steps, you can easily link your Venmo balance to your bank account or card and start using your Venmo balance to make purchases or transfer money to your bank account.